Bonjour, c'est Clara Clearly French. Today's lesson is about how to translate for and since in French. And we're going to use depuis, ça fait que, and pendant. Now, the easiest way is to use depuis for both for and since when the action is ongoing. Let me explain. Je travaille ici depuis 6 mois. I've been working here for 6 months. In French, we say I work here since 6 months because the action's ongoing, therefore present tense. Je ne l'ai pas vu depuis la fête. I haven't seen him since the party. Now you haven't seen someone. It's ongoing, you still haven't seen him. Je ne l'ai pas vu. So you copy the tense into the passé composite. It's a past tense. Ils sont amis depuis longtemps. They've been friends for a long time. Ongoing. They are friends since a long time. On est mariés depuis 2010. We've been married since 2010. Ongoing, we're still married. Now you can use ça fait que to express for instead of depuis in spoken French only, and that's still for ongoing action, so it's still the same rule. Let me show you. Ça fait 6 mois que je travaille ici. I've been working here for 6 months. You see how before we had je travaille ici depuis 6 mois. Ça fait 6 mois que je travaille ici means exactly the same thing, but it's more idiomatic, it's more how we speak. Ça fait longtemps qu'ils sont amis. They've been friends for a long time. Literally, it's been a long time that they are friends. Ça fait longtemps qu'on ne s'est pas vu. We haven't seen each other for a long time. It's been a long time that we haven't seen each other. The each other is the S apostrophe, by the way. That's why it's kind of reflexive. Now, we would only ever use pendant for actions that have a clear beginning and end, where you could replace it with during. J'ai étudié le français pendant 3 ans. I studied French for 3 years, during 3 years. You no longer study it, it's not an ongoing action. On fait du ski pendant les vacances d'hiver. We ski during the winter holiday. Elle a attendu pendant 10 minutes, puis elle est partie. She waited for 10 minutes, then she left. She waited during 10 minutes, you could say. But you wouldn't say that in English. Remember to claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the links in the description. And check out my Parler Français Level 1 and 2 course if you want to speak French the fastest possible way.